Hey everyone, it's Jimmy with Colton RV and Marine, and today is the perfect day to show you this 2025 Parker 18 SE. As you can see behind me, the water's a little turned up, so we can actually show you what this boat was built to do. As we take you through the boat here, we have a nice leaning post for 2 passengers. It is a 6-passenger boat. Off of the leaning post, you do have 3 nice rocket launchers to store your rods. This boat is equipped with 4 rod holders while you're fishing. Let's take you through the helm here a little bit. You do have grab rails everywhere you stand. You can see I'm rocking around a little bit. You do have a nice grab rail around the windshield here, and the windshield is an option on this boat. It is a major plus on windy days. You do not feel any air coming through, so your eyes don't get watery when you're running this boat. Throughout the helm though, we do get our 18s with no electronics. We kind of let it up to the consumer. Our parts department does a great job taking you through either Garmin, Lowrance, Humminbird. We kind of leave that up to personal preference. It is equipped with a wet sound stereo system. Sounds awesome, like Wet Sounds always does. This boat is equipped with a Yamaha 150 4-stroke, and we elected to get the digital gauges here. The digital gauges are nice, so it will track obviously your tack and your speed, but it also gives you certain functions like oil pressure, hours, cooling levels, and then down here off your fuel gauge, obviously you have your fuel off to the right, but it'll give obviously speed off of this gauge, gallons burned, and things like that you can track through. The helm also has features like this nice little glove box. Store your wallet, your keys, your sunglasses on non-sunny days like today, and then a nice foot pedestal as you're running to keep your feet up. Moving back though towards the back of the boat, you can either get a T-top or a bimini. I personally like the bimini on this boat because the T-top, it kind of gets in the way with the size of this boat. This boat is 20 feet 6 inches length overall. The top of it, which Parker likes to measure their fishability, it is 18 feet 6 inches. But moving back towards the boat, you have nice storage under these nice seats. We'll show you how deep that is. This compartment also has the battery switch to it, which is a 1, 2, and all switch. You can see the bottom of the seats are rough surfaces, so you can pretty much use this, take this seat, come over here, put it in your nice storage that we have. Everything stows away nice, your safety equipment, obviously all the cushions that fit this boat. But then come back here, and on calmer days, you know, stand up here and cast if you want. It's a sturdy boat, guys, so you can almost walk along the side of this boat at ease. And I'll actually show you this now. But before that, it is incorporated with a swim ladder and a boarding pedestal off the back. This 150 runs awesome with this boat. As you can see how quiet it is. But then it's a stable boat. We're rocking, we have probably 2 foot of waves just hanging around us right now. You can easily get up here, still get to your catches. Your gunnels are wide. They're actually made of cruciboard. So all your attachments on the gunnels can be easily screwed into that cruciboard. It's never gonna rot away. Your transom is also made by cruciboard, so long-lasting boat. But up here you can see if you're a cast net guy and you're getting your bait, you have plenty of room to throw a cast net. We do have the anchor locker up here, stowed away. And then we did elect to get this nice sun pad with the boat. It does have storage under it, and then you can kind of tell how deep the boat is. Plenty of room to fit 2 or 3 guys. It does have the nice bench here. And then under this bench, guys, you do have a live well, which is really nice. But again, the depth of this boat is great. We're on the Niagara River right now, probably about to head down to Erie to Buffalo Harbor. and it's gonna handle perfectly, mainly because of the dead rise. So the dead rise is 14 degrees. That dead rise is gonna handle a lot of waves. It's not that heavy of a boat. This boat weighs 2,704 pounds, and is plenty enough to be towed by, you know, a small vehicle to big waters. It's gonna draft for all you inshore fishermen at 9 inches. And then again, while you guys are offshore fishing, you're gonna be able to use that 14-degree dead rise to take all your waves. So let's take it for a spin. We'll show you how all that handles, and hope you guys enjoy. So as you can see in the chop and in the wind, how this boat handled, it handled amazing. So if you're interested in this 2025 Parker 18 SE or some of the models coming in, give us a call. Our number is 716-694-0188, and my extension is 425. Thanks guys for joining on the ride, and we'll see you soon.